Hi students, this is for class 7, subject mathematics, chapter 3 decimals, topic multiplication of decimals. In this chapter, we are going to cover the topics are what is decimal, place value of decimals, types of decimals, comparison of decimals, addition of decimals, subtraction of decimals, and multiplication of decimals. Let's see decimals. First, we should know the definition of decimals. A decimal number can be defined as a number whose whole number part and the fraction part is separated by a decimal point. The dot in a decimal number is called a decimal point. What is decimal? Decimals have whole number part and fraction part. Both are adding. How do we identify the decimal? Whole number part and fraction part in between given dot, that is decimal point. How do we read the decimal? For example, 45.31. First we should consider the whole number part, that is 45. Point is decimal point. Then consider a decimal number part. In decimal number part, read it separately, that is 41. Let's see real life example of decimals. We use decimals every day while dealing with money, weight, length, etc. Decimal numbers are used in situations where more precision is required than the whole numbers can provide. For example, when we calculate our weight on the weighting machine, we do not always find the weight equal to a whole number on a scale. Here also given some examples. First one, tax. We purchase many things. Finally, we get a bill. There mention tax. For example, 4.38, 5.50. And another one example, calculator. Everyone use calculator in our home. They're adding many numbers. For example, 39.83. These are example of decimals. Let's see decimal. How do we read the decimal numbers? For example, 34.536. Here 34 is whole number part. Point is decimal point. 536 is decimal number part. Here first we should consider a whole number part, that is 34. Then decimal point. So decimal number part read in separately, 536. Let's see place value of decimal numbers. Decimals have two parts, one whole number part, another one decimal number part. See place value of whole number part. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Let's see place value of decimal number part. 1 by tens, 1 by hundreds, 1 by thousands. Here whole number part start from right to left. These values are increases. Here decimal number part are start from left to right. Here values are decreases. Let's learn decimals. Decimals have like decimals, unlike decimals. What is like decimals? Decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Let's see examples. 19.1, 250.6, 5.3, 140.7. These are like decimals. Let's see unlike decimals. Unlike decimals means decimals not having the same number of digits on the right of the decimal point are unlike decimals. Let's see the example. 43.68, 6.315, 25.1, 3.4567. These are unlike decimals. Let's see compare the decimal numbers. Second Roman first cosine 0.09 compare with 0.08. First we should compare whole number part. Here 0, that side also 0. Same value. Then consider decimal number part, first value. First value here 0, that side also 0. Then consider decimal number part, second value. Here 9, there 8. 9 is a greater number. So 0.09 is a greater number. Second cosine 3.74 compare with 3.9. Here first consider whole number part, 3 same. Then consider decimal number part, here 7, that side 9. So 9 is a greater number. So 3.9 is a greater number. Third cosine 8.2 compare with 8.02. First consider whole number part, 8, same number. Then consider decimal number part, this side 2, that side 0. So here 8.2 is a greater number. Let's see addition of decimals. Third Roman first cosine 2.78 plus 19.8. Here given two decimal numbers. Now we can add it. Let us find the solution. Write the decimal numbers according to their place values. 2.78 and 19.8. Write correctly. Now some digits are missing. Put 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 7 plus 8, 15. Place 5, 1 carry. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Place 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore, 2.78 plus 19.8, adding two numbers, we get 22.58. Let's see second cosine. 24.037 plus 39.528. Let us find the solution. First 24.037, then take 39.528. Let's start. Add the values. 7 plus 8, 15. Place 5, 1 carry. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 0 plus 5, 5. Place the point. 4 plus 9, 13. Place 3. Carry 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Therefore, 24.037 plus 39.528, which is equal to, we get 63.565. Let's see subtraction of decimals. Fourth Roman first cosine 92.854 minus 17.82. Here given two decimal numbers. Now we have to subtract. Let us find the solution. The first number is 92.854. Then second number is 17.82. Here Some digits are missing. Add 0. Now we can subtract the value. 4 minus 0, we get 4. 5 minus 2, we get 3. 8 minus 8, 0. Place the point. 2 minus 7, we cannot subtract. So, 2 is need to borrow from 9 and become 12. Here, 8. 12 minus 7, 5. 8 minus 1, 7. Therefore, 92.854 minus 17.82, which is equal to 75.034. Let's see another sum. Second one, 31.2 minus 5.09. Let us find the solution. First take 31.2, then take 5.09. Here some digits missing. Add 0. Now subtract the values. 0 minus 9. We cannot subtract. So 0 is need to borrow from 2. Will become 10. Here change 1. 10 minus 9. 1. 1 minus 0. 1. Place the point. 1 minus 5. Cannot subtract. Borrow from 3. 11 here. 11 minus 5. 6. Here 2. Therefore, 31.2 minus 5.09, which is equal to 26.11. Let's see multiplication of decimals. Multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. If it is multiplied by 10, that means 10, the decimal point shift one place to the right. If it is multiplied by 100, that is 2 zeros, the decimal point shifts 2 places to the right. If it is multiplied by 1000, 3 zeros, the decimal point shifts 3 places to the right. Let's see multiplication of decimal number by 10, 100 and 1000. Let's see the example. 1. Multiply. First cosine 2.564 multiple with 10. If it is multiplied by 10, that is 10, the decimal point moves one place to the right. Here 10, 10. So, one decimal point moves one place to the right. So, we get 25.64. Second cosine 2.564 multiple with 100. If it is multiplied by 100, that means 2 zeros, the decimal point moves 2 places to the right. So, we get 256.4. Let's see third problem. 2.564 multiple with 1000. If it is multiplied by 1000, that is 3 zeros, the decimal point moves 3 places to the right. Therefore, 2564. 10 means moves one place to the right. 20 means moves 2 place to the right. 30 means moves 3 place to the right. Let's see multiplication of decimal number by a whole number. Example 2. Multiply. First cosine 216.234 multiple with 13. Here 216.234 is a decimal number, 13 is whole number. Let us find the solution. The first step, ignore the points. we get 2,16,234 multiple with whole number 13. Let's multiply. Take 3 table. 4 3s are 12. Place 2. Carry 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. Place 0. Carry 1. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 6 3s are 18. Place 8. Carry 1. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. 2 3s are 6. Then take 1 table. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. 1 6 are 6. 1 1s are 1. 1 2s are 2. Now add the values. 2. 0 plus 4 4. 7 plus 3 10. Place 0. 1 carry. 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11. Remaining 1. 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. Remaining 1. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 2. Now we get the values. Now check number of decimal places. Here number of decimal places is 3. Therefore 216.234 multiple with 13. Now 3 places right to, we have to follow right to left. So 3 places, place the point. 3 places before place the point, we get 2811.042. Let's learn multiplication of decimal number by a decimal number. Example 3. Multiply 20.8 by 0.5. Here 20.8 is a decimal number, 0.5 is a decimal number. Now multiply both decimal number. Let us find the solution. The first step, ignore the points. So we get 208 and 5. Now multiply the values. 8 5s are 40. Place 0. 4 carry. 0 into 5 we get 0. So remaining 4. Place 4. 2 5s are 10. So we get 1040. Now count the decimal places. Number of decimal places is 2. 20.8 multiple with 0.5 is equal to, place the decimal point in the product. 2 places. So we get 10.40. Let's see properties of multiplication of decimals. The first one, a decimal number is multiplied by 0. The product is always 0. Let's see the example. 34.1 multiple with 0. 34.1 is a decimal number. Multiple with 0, we get 0. Any number multiple with 0, we get 0 only finally. A decimal number is multiplied by 1. The product is the number itself. Let's see the example. 17.4 multiple with 1, we get 17.4. Let's see third one. The order of decimals in multiplication is changed. The product remains the same. Let's see the example. 2.1 multiple with 1.1. Both are decimal number. Multiply with the numbers, we get 2.31. So here order changed. 1.1 multiple with 2.1. We get the answer is 2.31. So the order of decimal in multiplication is changed. The product remains the same. Same answer only. Let's see exercise 3.1. Second Roman, multiply the following. Second question, 46.05 multiple with 2. Let us find the solution. Here 46.05 is decimal number, 2 is whole number. The first step, ignore the points. We get 4605 multiple with 2. Let's start multiply. 5 2s are 10, 0, carry 1, 0 into 2, 0, place 1, 6 2s are 12, remaining 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. We get 9210. Now count the decimal places. Here number of decimal places is 2. Therefore 46.05 multiple with 2. The decimal places from right to the left. Place the decimal point in the product. Right to left. We get 92.10. Let's see third problem. 66.7 multiple with 8. First step, ignore the point. We get 667 multiple with 8. Let's do the multiply. 7 8s are 56. Remaining 5. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5, 53. Place the 3. Remaining 5. 8 6 are 48 plus 5, 53. We get 5336. Now count the decimal places. 1 decimal place. The number of decimal place is 1. Therefore 66.7 multiple with 8. Counting the places from right to the left. The places, 1 place. Place the decimal point in the product. We get 533.6. Let's see third Roman. Find the product. Product means multiplication. First question, 34.67 multiple with 41.2. Here 34.67 is decimal number and 41.2 is decimal number. Now multiply the both decimal numbers. Let us find the solution. The first step, ignore the point. We get 3467. The second number 412. Let's multiply. 7 2s are 14. Remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Place 3. Remaining 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 3 2s are 6. Then take one table. 1 7s are 7. 1 6 are 6. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. Let's take 4 table. 4 7 are 28. Place 8. Remaining 2. 4 6 are 24 plus 2 26. Remaining 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2 18. Place 8. Remaining 1. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. Now add the values. 4. 7 plus 3 10. 0. Remaining 1. 10. 18. 18 plus 6. 24. 4. Remaining 2. 18. Remaining 1. 12. Remaining 1. 3 plus 1 4. 1. Now count the decimal places. Here 2 places, here also 1. Totally number of decimal places is 3. Now place the decimal point right to left. Therefore 34.67 multiple with 41.2. We get 1428.404. Let's see fourth one. Multiply the following. First one 0.67 into 12.09. Both numbers are decimal number. Let us find the solution. First step, ignore the point. 1209 multiple with 67. Let's multiply. 9 sevens are 63. Place 3, remaining 6. 0 into 7, 0. Place 6. 2 sevens are 14. Remaining 1. 1 sevens are 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 6 nines are 54. 4. Remaining 5. 0 into 6, 0. Place 5. 2 6 are 12. Remaining 1. 1 6 are 6 plus 1, 7. Then multiply with 0. 0 multiply with any number, we get 0 only. Now add the values. 3, 6 plus 4, 10. 0, remaining 1, 10. 0, remaining 1, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Remaining 1, 8. Therefore, 0 is not value. Therefore, number of decimal places is 4. 0.67 multiple with 12.09. Now count the decimal places. We have to follow right to left. Place the decimal point in the product. We get 8.1003. Second question, 7.76 multiple with 0.54. Let us find the solution. Remove the point. 776 multiple with 54. 6 4s are 24. Remaining 2. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30. Remaining 3. 7 4s are 28 plus 3 31. Then take 5 table. 5 6 are 30. 0 remaining 3. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38. Remaining 3. 7 5s are 35 plus 3 38. Now add the values. 4 0 8 plus 1 9. 8 plus 3 11. Remaining 1 3 plus 1 4. Now count the decimal places. Number of decimal places is 4. 7.76 multiple with 0.54. Now we have to follow right to left. Place the decimal point. 4 places. So we get 4.1904. Fifth one, word problem. A box of cookies weight 55.450 kilogram. How much will 12 such boxes weight? Let us find the solution. First, write the statement. Weight of cookies in one box 55.450 kilogram. Now we have to find out the 12 such boxes weight. That is multiplication. Weight of cookies in 12 boxes. Therefore, 55.450 multiple with 12. Now multiply the values here. Point have. So first step, ignore the point and multiply the numbers. 2 0 0. 5 2s are 10. Place 0 remaining 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 5 2s are 10. 0 remaining 1. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. Let's take one table. 1 0 0. 1 5s are 5. 1 4s are 4. 1 5s are 5. 1 5s are 5. Now add the values. 0 0. 9 plus 5 14. 4 remaining 1. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 5 plus 1 6. Therefore, now count the decimal places. Number of decimal places is 3. We have to follow right to left. 55.450 multiple with 12. So, now place the decimal point right to left. 3 places. We get 665.400. Therefore, weight of cookies in 12 boxes equal to 665.400 kilogram. Thank you, students.